Hey YouTube, so last day, well yesterday, I showed you some of my fidget spinners, and guess what happened to that one? I just set something down there. Look what happened to it. It broke. So guess what? I got one that's very good, like way better. See, this one. My friend has some too. Show yours. Yeah, that one's green. That one's almost the same as this. And wait, do you have another one? Don't you have the other one? Yeah, show the other ones.
I'll show the other one.
Okay,
if I can find it.
Okay.
I mean, like, I'm not.
Well, this is just a vlog video. Showing you about fidget spinners and going around and stuff. Who the heck is that? But who cares about that person? Okay, okay.
We're restarting?
No. So, I'm gonna get you other fidget spinners. Okay, so that was just an update about our fidget spinners. And might as well just do a vlog. Just going around and stuff.
I'm gonna drop one of my fidgets.
Dropped one of your fidgets? This is bad. This is horrible.
Or it's just in my pocket. I don't know.
So I might not record tomorrow. I'm not gonna do a vlog tomorrow because it's gonna rain. So I'm definitely not going to vlog tomorrow.
Do not do it. You'll shove it in your mouth.
So what the heck? Okay.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there's another fidget spinner. Wait, show your other fidget spinner. This is the glow in the dark fidget spinner. It's pretty cool.
That's like glow in the dark one?
Yeah, it's glow in the dark.
Pretty.
So yeah, this one's horrible. I'm just gonna hydro dip it just for looks. And it's gonna rain. It's definitely gonna rain because like, who cares? Well, I do because I wanted to vlog tomorrow, so I decided to vlog today.
Video, I'm gonna have to have this one.
So yeah, it's just an update. Just an update about my fidget spinners, and just showing off his fidget spinner right there. His fidget spinner. And that other person has a fidget spinner too. Basically, everyone has fidget spinners now. Like, everyone has fidget spinners.
If you guys drop it,
go to Walgreens right now if you want this fidget spinner. Hurry, just go to the store. Well, Walgreens right now so you can get yours. In Omaha, Nebraska, and United States. So, get your fidget spinners now.